Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by Chez Mamie where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we're gonna make marinated peppers. You can have marinated peppers as an appetizer with bread, for example, or you can include them in a cold salad. So what do you need for easy marinated peppers? First, you will need 3 bell peppers, some olive oil as well, some rosemary, and half garlic clove. Here I chose frozen garlic, but that's pretty much the same. So are you ready? So let's start. So first let's cut the top of our bell peppers and remove the seeds. So 1, 2, and 3. So we just remove the seeds here. Let's wash a little bit. So we removed the seeds first hand because that's more convenient to do so now when they are raw. So now let's place our bell peppers in a pan. Just like that, and you can add a little bit of water if you want, so that they don't burn. And then we will bake them. So that's about 170 degrees for 50 minutes. But please take a look regularly so that they don't burn. In the meantime, let's prepare a plate with some olive oil. And then we can add some rosemary and our garlic as well. If you want, you can add also some spicy herbs, for example, or some thyme as well. Et voila, your marinated peppers are ready, as you can see here. So we let the peppers marinate overnight and even longer in rosemary and olive oil and garlic. So that's it. So congratulations. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and to subscribe to the channel, and also to comment. Comments are always appreciated. You will find more recipes by Chez Mamie where the French cuisine is made easy.